In this video, I am going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with Google Calendar so you can sync your tasks and events easily. Stay until the end to get the most out of this integration. Let's get started. Go to clickup.com and sign into your account. Make sure you're logged in with the correct workspace. Click your profile icon at the top left corner. This will open your main account settings and shortcuts. In the drop-down menu, choose App Center. This is where you can find all available integrations for ClickUp. Now, in the search bar, just search Google Calendar and choose Google Calendar from the results. This will open the integration setup page. Just click Connect and follow all the prompts to link your Google account and allow access. This will sync your tasks and due dates with your Google Calendar. And that's how you integrate ClickUp with Google Calendar. If this was helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to How to Tutor for more practical tutorials. See you next time!